Hello everyone and welcome back to another trading session. In this session, I will try to take some trades and explain each and every single trade. So my first trade will be right here. I'm expecting a rejection from this zone and then I will explain why did I take this. Okay, the trade will close in 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, it was a draw. It gave back the money, and the reason behind this trade is simply this is a decision point. Okay, this is a support area. Okay, first touch, second touch, third touch, and then this support area is broken, so this area should be somewhere strong that the market decided to break that. If I go back to lower time frame, we will see fresh supply areas right here. So this is the fresh supply, and I entered right here and the candle closed exactly right there. So if I mark this area, you will see that. Okay, so if I entered right here and the candle closed exactly right here, but the next candle started with exactly on my entry, so they gave back the money as a draw. The market can drop. I have to see if it starts. Okay, this is a gap down. I go with the buyers right now. I'm expecting a green candle now. All right, the reason why I'm bullish on this one is because the price is coming from this huge QM area and it has to reject. And even if we get this as a red candle, it has to reject to the upside. Some of you ask about QMs, what they are, and I have to say that there is a full video explaining QM. You can just simply click on this thing, it will pop up right here, and watch the video. That's a full video explaining the QM setup, and you can learn that. We have also this gap down in the favor of buyers, plus we have outside bar retracement and then buyers, and the price is coming from somewhere that the buyers are strong. This QM right here. Okay, so I will explain once again what QM is. Basically, when we have this pattern in the market, then break the previous swing, this zone will be our QM zone, right? So this is the pattern, right? And then break the previous swing. So this is the QM zone, just like this one. And next time price will react from it. I have explained everything about this setup and the video I talked about. You can just watch it right now and learn everything about it. Okay, after that, price will go up, eventually start to go up to the next supply area. Okay, so we are bullish after touching a QM buy. Okay, same thing is correct for a QM sell. It is exactly like that. Break the previous swing. This is going to be the QM. Next time price will reject. Okay, so I was bullish on this one. We got the pattern, we got the retracement, and then this candle should be green. Also starting with a gap down in the favor of buyers as a positive confirmation. So we take the trade. Okay, now if we break this doji from the downside or upside, it will give us a doji break. I would prefer breaking from downside because we have touched a QM zone and we are bullish on this chart. Okay, let's just check the other pairs. Alright, so this is about to break. I will take this very small because we started with this gap up. See, so gap up is in the favor of sellers. Always remember that. When you have a buy setup and the new candle opens up with a jump up, okay, if you look closer, you will see this jump up. It means that even if the buyers enter, they can reject at the last second. Sometimes you lose some trades in last seconds and you wonder why that happens. This can be one of the reasons. Okay, so here the setup is buy, but it's a bit risky because we have negative reason here. That's why I go with 200. Okay, low risk. If I lose it, nothing will change. Okay, and this is a doji break setup. It's not a perfect doji. Perfect doji looks like this, no body here, but here it's a little bit of body right here, so it's not a perfect doji. There we go. Okay, now if you look at this one, starting with gap up. Gap up is in the favor of sellers. I can take this with the sellers, but I don't, because we might start going up, because this can easily turn to a double bottom, especially because this is on a QM buy zone. Okay, so I'm not going against it, right? And the price channel also tells us the market is moving this way. So here, even if we drop, I don't care. My experience here says that this is going to be risky. I will just move on to the next pair, and I will change back this to 1,000. It's very simple and easy. Just take some people ask about emotion management and money management, stuff like that. My personal approach is taking 5 or 6 trades per day and stop trading if the market looks complicated. Before your trading session, check the charts and see if you can find some successful setups, or you're just seeing failed setups. Okay, if you see a lot of failed setups, obviously if you're trading my style and if you have been following me for a long time, if you see a lot of failed setups, just don't trade, right? Okay, here we have a first, second, third touch breakout. So this is a sell, right? It has also gap up in the favor of sellers. And then after the sell, we have this QM right here. Oh, I'm sorry. The QM already worked. See? Break the previous swing, QM zone, buy. Okay, and then boom, this sell right here, and then yeah, so this is an example of how to see the history of the chart to see if the market looking good or not. Just move on. All right, we have a doji right here. Again, we should break this doji, but we should have other reasons as well. We cannot just really trade on a single doji break. In this chart, I would prefer to break the doji from upside, okay? And the reason why is because we have a support area that is previously has been respecting a lot, and then this happened. It broke, okay? So this supply right here turns to a decision point for me. And when the market touches this one, it likes to come down, right? So the market is in the seller's favor here. I will wait for this one to break, and then I will take a sell. Okay, so if I was on this chart, when the market was approaching this decision point right here, I would go to lower time frame, and I will try to look for a fresh demand area for my entry. And I will show you now if there's any. I believe there should be some. Okay, there we go. This is beautiful, man. This is literally the live chart. I will mark it for you. Very simple. Boom. Okay. The first touch of this will make us enter the trade. Boom. See, our trade would be on this one. This is a decision point. Okay. So the setup is boom, 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 boom. And then the breakout happens. Next time, boom, boom. Just like that. See, I was talking about double bottom, if you remember, on this one. The OGQM we were talking about, and then double bottom can come up. So everything is with the bar. So if you sell in here, you're making a mistake, okay? So doji, some of you sell here and take this trade as a sell, and you lose, and you start complaining, and you do not pay attention to these market movements, okay? Because trading, you know, trading is not easy, okay? It might look easy, it's not easy. Do not risk a lot of, oh, holy fuck, man, we missed this doji break right here. Okay, we could have been taking this. I was planning to take this, and I already told you the price is coming from a decision point. It likes to come down. And this was a perfect doji trade. We missed. That's my bad. I will move forward. Okay, so here if you break this doji from the downside, I wouldn't take this because it's risky. Okay. So the market direction is very important. Okay, I take 2 trades right here. A little bit risky, I'm not gonna lie. But I like this trade because this is a very nice trade in the direction of the trend. Alright, I will explain you why did I take this. Simply, this is a QM trade, okay? But the key point about this is that you know about ABCs, right? ABCs are super important for us. A, B, C. So in your QM, this is normally a QM buy, okay? See, QM buy area. And we know that, okay, inside of ABCs, if the QM buys is line up with an ABC, you have to take the trade because that's beautiful, especially if the trend is with you. Okay, so that big ABC, if we go back to lower time frame, we might find beautiful, man. Failed supply becomes demand. Okay, failed supply, this is a supply, broken strongly becomes a demand. Let's go lower time frame to see if we can find a regular one. No. All right, so this was beautiful. Okay, the market was bullish, strong uptrend, major and minor uptrend, trend with us, and this was a beautiful trade. So let's just move on, try to take the next trade. Oh, this was also beautiful, man. Look at this same freaking setup. ABC, you see the ABC? But this one's a little hairy. ABC, beautiful. Respected resistance. Okay, decision point setup, right? Respected resistance and then breakout. Respected resistance, then breakout. Decision point inside of ABC. Let's go back to lower time frame. We will find the fresh demand area. There we go. It's the fresh demand. So this would be the entry for us. Right here. Sometimes it's also lining up with a QM. Like this. Huge QM. Everything happens in this inside of it, this QM. Then this makes it even crazier. Okay. Alright, look at this one. This is the doji I told you do not take it, see? And this is the doji I told you we can take this because the market is coming from a decision point after this breakout. Okay, market coming from decision point. So we are selling. This trade would be takeable. This doji right here would not be takeable. If we were taking buy right here, we would lose it. Okay, and this is the doji setup. When we're breaking a doji from upside or downside, we can take reversal trade, but do not take all the freaking dojis. That will not work. You have to understand where the price is going and where the price is coming from. Okay. I will... Come on. I want to take a buy, first of all. My big entry will be right here. Because we have such a rejection market. If you having this kind of market, every single candle rejecting from ups and downs, just wait for margin of safety, okay? And draw a common line between all the rejections, the most rejections you can draw, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See, but if you want to take a trade, take your trade on the common point of rejection. Do not just simply enter the trade when the candle is opening. That's going to be risky. Okay, let's just see how many trades have we taken. Beautiful. That's all. That's more than enough. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, drop a like for me and do not miss the Telegram channel. Thank you for watching, everybody, and peace out.